Making money with a credit card can be a great way to supplement your income or even make a full-time living. However, it's important to understand the process and know what to look for before you start using your credit card to make money. There are a few different ways that you can make money with a credit card. You can use it to earn rewards points that can be redeemed for cashback or other prizes, or you can take advantage of sign-up bonuses and special offers. You can also use your credit card to make purchases that will earn you cashback or other rewards. And, if you're careful about how you use your credit card, you can avoid interest charges and late fees, which can help you save money in the long run. In this video, we'll show you how to make money with a credit card in 2022. How to make money 2022 with credit card. 15 easy methods. Earning rewards points. One of the easiest ways to make money with a credit card is to take advantage of rewards points. Most credit cards offer some kind of rewards program, and the best programs can help you earn cashback, travel miles, or even get free stuff. To start earning rewards points, all you need to do is use your credit card for everyday purchases. Every time you use your card, you'll earn points that can be redeemed for cashback, merchandise, or travel expenses. For example, let's say you have a credit card that offers 1 point for every $1 you spend. If you spend $100 in a month, you'll earn 100 points. And if those points are worth 1 cent each, then you've just earned yourself $1. Of course, the more you spend, the more points you'll earn. And, the more valuable those points are, the more money you'll be able to make. So, it's important to choose a credit card with a good rewards program that will give you the most bang for your buck. 2. Taking advantage of sign-up bonuses and special offers. Another great way to make money with a credit card is to take advantage of sign-up bonuses and special offers. Many credit card companies offer incentives to new customers, such as cash back or travel miles. And, if you're strategic about how you use your credit card, you can take advantage of these offers to earn some extra cash. For example, let's say you sign up for a new credit card that offers a $100 cashback bonus. To get the bonus, you'll need to spend $1,000 within the first 3 months of opening your account. So, if you plan your spending carefully, you can easily earn an extra $100 just by using your credit card. 3. Using your credit card to make purchases. Another way to make money with a credit card is to use it to make purchases that will earn you cash back or other rewards. Many credit cards offer cash back on specific categories of purchases, such as gas, groceries, or travel. And, if you use your credit card strategically, you can maximize your rewards by making purchases in those categories. For example, let's say you have a credit card that offers 2% cash back on all travel expenses. If you spend $100 on travel in a month, you'll earn $2 in cash back. And, if you charge $1,000 in travel expenses to your card in a year, you'll earn $20 in cash back. 4. Avoiding interest charges and late fees. If you're careful about how you use your credit card, you can avoid interest charges and late fees, which can help you save money in the long run. Interest charges are the fees that credit card companies charge for borrowing money. And, if you carry a balance on your credit card from month to month, you'll be charged interest on that balance. Late fees are the fees that credit card companies charge for making a payment after the due date. So, if you're careful to make your payments on time, you can avoid these fees and save yourself some money. 5. Paying your credit card balance in full every month. One of the best ways to avoid interest charges and late fees is to pay your credit card balance in full every month. When you pay your balance in full, you won't be charged interest on that balance, and you won't be late on your payments. Of course, this isn't always possible. But, if you can swing it, paying your balance in full every month is a great way to save money on your credit card bill. 6. Using your credit card to get a lower interest rate. If you have a good credit score, you may be able to use your credit card to get a lower interest rate. Many credit card companies offer promotional rates to new customers, and if you have good credit, you may be able to qualify for those rates. For example, let's say you have a balance of $1,000 on your credit card with an interest rate of 18%. If you can get a promotional rate of 12% for 6 months, you'll save $60 in interest charges. 7. Using your credit card to build your credit score. If you use your credit card responsibly, you can also use it to build your credit score. Your credit score is a number that lenders use to determine whether you're a good candidate for a loan. The higher your credit score, the more likely you are to get approved for a loan with a low interest rate. So, if you're planning on taking out a loan in the future, it's a good idea to use your credit card to build your credit score. By making on-time payments and keeping your balance low, you can improve your credit score and save money on interest charges in the long run. 8. Using your credit card to save money on taxes. If you use your credit card to pay for business expenses, you may be able to save money on taxes. Business expenses are tax-deductible, which means you can deduct them from your taxes. For example, let's say you spend $1,000 on office supplies for your business. If you charge those expenses to your credit card, you can deduct that $1,000 from your taxes. 9. Redeem points for cash back or gift cards. If you have a rewards credit card, you can redeem your points for cash back or gift cards. Many credit card companies offer both options, and you can usually get more value out of your points by redeeming them for cashback. For example, let's say you have a rewards credit card with a 1% cashback rate. If you redeem your points for cashback, you'll get $1 back for every 100 points you redeem. But, if you redeem your points for a gift card, you might only get 50 cents back for every 100 points. So, if you're looking to get the most value out of your rewards points, it's generally best to redeem them for cashback. 10. Use a balance transfer credit card to save on interest charges. If you have a balance on your credit card, you may be able to save money by transferring that balance to a balance transfer credit card. Balance transfer credit cards typically offer promotional rates of 0% for 12 months or more, which can help you save on interest charges. For example, let's say you have a balance of $1,000 on your credit card with an interest rate of 18%. If you transfer that balance to a balance transfer credit card with a 0% promotional rate for 12 months, you'll save $180 in interest charges over the course of the year. However, it's important to note that balance transfer credit cards typically charge a balance transfer fee of 3.5%, so you'll need to factor that into your decision. 11. Use a cashback credit card to get money back on your purchases. If you use a cashback credit card, you can get money back on your purchases. Cashback credit cards typically offer rewards rates of 1–2% cash back, which means you'll get $1–2 back for every $100 you spend. For example, let's say you have a cashback credit card with a 1% rewards rate. If you spend $1,000 in a month, you'll earn $10 in cashback rewards. Cashback rewards can be redeemed for cash, gift cards, or merchandise, and they can be used to offset the cost of your purchases. 12. Use a travel rewards credit card to save on travel expenses. If you use a travel rewards credit card, you can save money on travel expenses. Travel rewards credit cards typically offer rewards points that can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and other travel expenses. For example, let's say you have a travel rewards credit card with a 1% rewards rate. If you spend $1,000 in a month, you'll earn 10,000 points. Those points can be redeemed for $100 worth of travel expenses. So, if you're a frequent traveler, it's definitely worth considering a travel rewards credit card. You could potentially save hundreds of dollars on your travel expenses each year. 13. Refer friends and family to your credit card. If you refer friends and family to your credit card, you can earn bonus points, cashback, or other rewards. Many credit card companies offer referral bonuses, and they're typically worth $50–100 per referral. For example, let's say you refer a friend to your credit card and they get approved. You'll usually earn a bonus of 5,000–10,000 points, which is worth $50–100. So, if you have a lot of friends and family members, it's definitely worth referring them to your credit card. You could potentially earn thousands of dollars in referral bonuses each year. 14. Cancel your credit card. If you cancel your credit card, you'll lose all of your rewards points and perks. So, if you're thinking about canceling your credit card, make sure you redeem all of your rewards points first. And, if you have a balance on your credit card, you'll need to pay that off before you cancel your card. Otherwise, you'll be charged interest on your remaining balance. 15. Give your employees their own cards. If you own a business, you can give your employees their own credit cards. This can help you earn rewards points on their purchases, and it can also help them build their credit history. Just be sure to set spending limits for your employees and monitor their activity closely. Otherwise, you could end up with some hefty charges on your business credit card. Bottom line. There you have it. These are 15 creative ways to use your credit card to make money in 2022. So, start using your credit card wisely and you could be earning some serious cashback rewards. If you use your credit card wisely, you can potentially earn rewards points, cash back, or other perks. Just make sure you understand the terms and conditions of your credit card before you start using it to make money. Thanks for watching.